Dividing by 2 instruction. Hello, my name is Sarah. Thank you for joining me for this lesson. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to divide by 2. You will need a whiteboard, a piece of paper, or the handout available with this lesson, and something to write with. Let's get started. If you remember, when we divide, we are splitting something up. If I write this problem, 8 divided by 2 equals, I can count by 2 until I get to 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. So 8 divided by 2 equals 4. I can draw a picture of this. I can draw 2 groups and then count to 8 as I pass it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you see, there are 4 in each group. All of these are connected to the idea of division, splitting something up. The difficulty is that sometimes we're splitting up really big numbers. And so there is a different way to divide. This is called long division. Long division is called long because there are several steps. It takes a few moments. Let's see how it works. As we do this problem, I'd like you to copy this down. We're going to divide 72 by the number 2. Now we're used to seeing this division sign, but this is the division sign that we use for long division. The number inside, which is 72, is the number we're splitting up, and the number on the outside, 2, is the divisor. It's where we're dividing by. We're going to begin by looking at the number underneath. We're going to be looking at 72. The first thing we need to ask is, can 2 go into 7? We're going to count by 2 until we get as close as we can to 7 without going over. Let's count by 2. 2, 4, 6, 8. Nope, 8's too high. So it's 3 times 1, 2, 3, because that equals 6. Now, we're going to take that 3 and we're going to put it up top. Now, that's not a 7, that's actually a 70 because it's in 72. So we're going to put a placeholder next to it as a 0. So now what we're going to do is we are going to multiply 2 times 30. And when we do that, 2 times 3 is 6. And then we add the 0. So we're going to subtract 60 because 2 times 30 is 60. When we subtract that, we'll begin 2 minus 0, which is 2, and then 7 minus 6. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So now, instead of 72, now we're going to divide 12 by 2. 2 cannot go into 1, so then we look at the 12. Let's count by 2 until we get to 12. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. We stop right on the number. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 goes into 12 6 times. Now because we're looking at 12, we need to go straight up from where that number is. So we're going to put our 6 here. We get the 6 because we counted 6 times. We put it straight up because this is the place value we're working in now. Now we have to do 2 times 6. 2 times 6 equals 12. So now we can subtract that. 12 minus 12 equals 0. So now we're all finished. 36 is our answer. We can check this by doing 36 times 2. Let's do this. 2 times 6, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Put the 2 below, carry the 1. 2 times 3, 2, 4, 6, add the 1, 7. So if you see here, 72 and 72 are the same numbers. So our answer is correct. Let's try another one. Our next problem is 96 divided by 2. Now, we're going to look at the first number, which is 9. 9 is bigger than 2, so we're going to count by 2 until we get to 9, without going over. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Oops, that's too high. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So that 4 will go on top of the 9. But remember, we're going to put a 0 here as a placeholder, because that's not a 9, that's a 90 in 96. Now we'll multiply. 2 times 4, 2, 4, 6, 8 is 8, and then add the 0. So now we subtract. 6 minus 0 is 6, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to be doing 16 divided by 2. We'll count by 2 until we get to 16. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Oops, that's too high. We stopped at 16. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I know I'm going to bring it straight up. That 8 will go in that place value. 2 times 8 is 16. 16 minus 16 is 0. Let's check our work. We have 48 as our answer, and we're going to multiply by 2 to check it. Let's count. 2 times 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Put a 6 below, carry the 1. 2 times 4, 2, 4, 6, 8. Then add the 1, 9. If you see, I have 96 and 96. So that means that my answer of 48 is correct. 96 divided by 2 equals 48. Well done. Be sure to check your work. In this lesson, we learned how to divide by 2. Thank you for following along.